Reflexive pronouns take their name from the Latin re, meaning back, plus flecto, flectere, flexi, flexum, meaning to bend. So the word reflexive means bending back. In fact, these pronouns refer back to the subject of the clauses in which they stand, and this is the doer of the action. For this reason, they cannot have a nominative case. In English, you would find sentences like this: I blame myself. They praise themselves. He is grateful to himself. In other words, the ending self and selves is added to the personal pronouns. In Latin, for the first and second person singular and plural, there is no specific reflexive pronoun. The forms will be just the same as the personal pronoun, ego, tu, nos, vos, but without the nominative case. They will be considered reflexives depending on the relationship of the pronouns with the subject of the sentence. For example, te laudo, I praise you, is not reflexive. Te laudas, you praise yourself, is reflexive. Here is a chart with the complete forms, looking just like the regular personal pronouns. Me, 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 me. Tui, tibi, te, te. Nostri, nobis, nos, nobis. Vestri, vobis, vos, vobis. Now see the following examples. De me multa scripsi. De me multa scripserunt. Vosne amatis. Vosne amat. Things are changing in the third person singular and plural. Here, the reflexive has a special form, even though it will be the same for the three genders as well, both for the singular and the plural. It can only be used if it refers back to the subject of the sentence in which it stands. Otherwise, the third person pronouns is, ea, id, or ille, illa, illud will be used. Duplicated and emphatic forms are quite common for special intensity. Sese for the accusative, and suimet or sibimet in genitive and dative. With the preposition cum, you will find secum in place of cum se. Here is the third person declension. Sui, sibi, se, se. Se laudat. Se laudant. Eam vident, eos vident. Se vident. Let's see some more. Me laudo. Te laudas. Se laudat. Nos laudamus. Vos laudatis. Se laudant. Now a few more sentences. Ipse ad eos contendebat, equitesque ante se misit. Cato, uticae mortem sibi conscivit. Ad me epistulam sibi a nescio quo missam misit. Animus se ipse alit. Let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.